الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read the Quran the easy way. Lesson number 9D on practice with soft well and soft yeah. Let's continue practicing soft well and soft yeah. Before we start, remember, when waw with sukoon has fatha before it, it is soft well. And similarly, when ya with sukoon has fatha before it, it is soft ya. Law, 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 lay, 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 lay. Mew, mew, mew. May, 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 may. No, no, no. Nay, nay, nay. Nay, nay, nay. Well, well, well. Way, way, way. Way, way, way. Hell, hell, hell. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Ew, ew, ew. A, 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 a. Yo, yo, yo. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. MashaAllah, well done. We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.